Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will solve one problem related to the engineering mechanics. So let's solve the problem. Let's see the problem statement. Two balls of equal mass and of perfectly elastic material are lying on the floor. So let's say there are two balls having the equal mass. So mass of the ball is m, second ball mass of the ball is n, lying on the floor, and material of this ball are perfectly elastic. What does that mean? That we will see later on. One of the ball with velocity v is made to struck the second ball. So when one of the ball, let's say this is the ball having velocity v, is made to struck the second ball. So second ball is steady. Second ball is steady. Both the balls after the impact will move with velocity. So after the impact, what will be the velocity of these two balls? That we have to find, right? So this is the case before impact. This is the case before impact, and we have to find velocity of these two balls after the impact. Let's say v dash. Let's say v dash. After the impact, what will be the velocity? So Newtons have given the law called Newton's law of restitution. So according to the Newton, the velocity, relative velocity after impact, so relative velocity after impact, let's say v2 minus v1, relative velocity after impact is equals to E times relative velocity before impact. E times relative velocity before impact, where E is called coefficient of restitution. So value of E is equals to 1 for perfectly elastic material, E equal to 0 for perfectly plastic material, and value of E remains between 0 to 1 for elastic material. Right? So in case of this perfectly elastic material, coefficient of restitution E is equals to 1, and this is the case when the linear momentum will conserve. Linear momentum will conserve, right? So because the mass of the two balls are same and it is a perfectly elastic material, the velocity after the impact will be same. Let's say that velocity is v dash, right? So conservation of linear momentum. So momentum before impact is equals to momentum after impact. So momentum before impact, we know the equation of linear momentum. So let's say before impact, the one of the ball have a velocity v, so mass into velocity, plus the other ball have a it is a steady, so its velocity is 0. So m into 0 is equals to momentum after impact. mv dash. One of the ball have a velocity, let's say v dash, and the similar way other ball have the same velocity mv dash, right? So mv is equals to 2mv dash. So v dash is equals to v by 2. So velocity after impact becomes the half the velocity before impact, right? So this way we can find the velocity after impact, and this parameter is very important whenever the collision of two bodies are there, right? So I hope you understand the concept. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. Thank you.